In ancient times, a king had his men place a boulder on a roadway. He then hid in the bushes and watched to see if anyone would move the boulder out of the way. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers passed by and simply walked around it. Many people blamed the king for not keeping the roads clear, but none of them did anything about getting the stone removed. One day, a peasant came along carrying vegetables. Upon approaching the boulder, the peasant laid down his burden and tried to push the stone out of the way. After much pushing and straining, he finally managed. After the peasant went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the boulder had been. The purse contained many gold coins, and note from the king explained that the gold was for the person who removed the boulder from the road. Moral of story: every obstacle we come across in life offers us an opportunity to improve our circumstances, and while the lazy people complain, the others are making openings to get things done to succeed. Crying does not help when the opportunity is lost. Laziness is not going to get you anywhere in life, but hard work is going to get you somewhere in life. A difficult job always pays off. So get out of your comfort zone and be successful. Success will not come to you, but you must go out and work for it. Nothing is simple in life. If you want something, you have to work for it. Remember, success in itself is a relative term, so its realization depends entirely on the practices you put in place and goal is defined. It becomes a question of the routine you set up for yourself to be successful. If you don't do anything or think you will get success, it's not possible. Your laziness will not give you anything. In fact, it takes everything away from you, and in the end you will not have anything in your hand. Do you think success must be worked for? Let us know in the comments section.